Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about GraphQL Data Driven Testing using dynamic scenario outline, examples and JSON. I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Eclipse IDE. Also, I have started fake GraphQL server in my local. I have created a new file called GraphQL Data Driven Testing Dynamic Scenario Outline JSON.feature file. This is created under Karate API Test project. In this feature file, I am copying the code from the previous video. I am copying the complete scenario outline. I am changing the scenario outline name. You can give any name. I am just giving this name. That's all. Now we have to pass the value of variables from a JSON file. So we will be referring that JSON file in the example section. I have created one JSON file. Its name is dynamic underscore scenario underscore outline.json. It's created under GraphQL under the class path. I am opening this particular JSON. So I am having an array. This is the 0th index and this is the first index. So there is two sets of data. The last video we were passing the data from the examples directly. Now we are going to refer this particular JSON file and we will be passing the data to this particular variable section. So I am removing all the contents here. I am formatting the feature file, saving the feature file. Now the next thing we have to do is to refer the JSON file where we have given the data. To do that, you can use the read method and mention the file location using class path. So I am mentioning this particular file between these pipe operators. I am formatting the feature file again, saving the feature file. Now we are passing the data to the GraphQL mutation using the JSON file. So this is called dynamic scenario outline. We are not passing the data directly in the examples section, rather than we are using a JSON file and we have added the two sets of data in this JSON array. Now I am going to execute this feature file. Right click, run as Cucumber feature. The execution is completed. Features 1, scenarios 2, pass 2. So every scenario is successful. I will show the HTML report. I am opening the report. You can see the response printed. Here also the response is printed and we have successful assertion as well. Now I will be changing the value of data in the JSON file. I am moving to the file. I am changing this one to 3, 3, 3. I am changing everything to 4 now. If you have multiple sets of data, you can add after a comma. Here I am only using two sets of data and I have changed the value now, and I am again going to hit the request, run as Cucumber feature. You can see the summary. The scenarios got passed. I will refresh the report. I will show the response. You can see the value 3 coming in the response. In the second iteration, we will be seeing the value 4. So this is how you do data driven testing using dynamic scenario outline using JSON in Karate. I hope this session is very useful for everyone. If you find this particular video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share, and if you have any queries, please comment it in the comment section. I will be clearing out the queries. Thanks for watching and keep learning.